Imagine a path once dubbed the most dangerous walkway in the world. A trail that hugs the cliff of the breathtaking gorge, suspended hundreds of feet above the ground. Welcome to Caminito del Rey, Spain's ultimate adventure hike. Stay tuned as we will tell you about fun activities to do in the area, and in the end, we will show you out of this world views from a national park nearby.
Hi, this is Julian and Arslan. If this is your first time on our channel, please help us by subscribing to our channel, where we bring a new video each week from gorgeous Spain. Caminito del Rey is located in southern Spain, in the province of Malaga. Just an hour away from Malaga city, there are two ways to visit Caminito del Rey. You can either book general tickets or guided tour. General tickets get sold out very quickly, so if you are looking to go the same month, your choices are either to go with a tour or try your luck at the gates before they open to snap one of the 50 tickets available on the day.
Once you have tickets secured, let's find out how to get there. Most people drive here, but you can come with a tour or take a train from Malaga. Please check Runway website for times and availability. Keep in mind, if you drive here, after the walk you will end up on the other side, and then you have to take a shuttle bus for €4 each person, just to get back to the car. Or if you have more than one car, just park one on each side and save yourself waiting for the shuttle bus. The area around Caminito is stunning. The best and the most fun way to enjoy this is to book an entire holiday home with your friends and family. Imagine playing board games, enjoying the swimming pool, and each day go for an activity. Not only is more fun, but it brings people together rather than staying in a hotel room. We have come to this beautiful villa in the middle of mountains, right next to Caminito del Rey. And do you know, Torcal National Park is not far from here either. Behind us, they're having barbecue, which we're gonna enjoy now. But first, let me show you the house. Come on, let's go. Before showing you the house, let's go Caminito first. Our tickets were booked for 9 AM entry, but we had to leave much earlier because you have to walk a lot even before getting to the gate. There are two walks. One is 2.7 kilometers and the other 1.5 through the footbridge. Most people take this. It's a beautiful walk with amazing rock formations and natural beauty surrounding you.
This is our third time coming to Caminito gates. First time, we just drove here without much information, but it was closed due to COVID. Second time, we got here and it was closed due to bad weather. Let's see if we are third time lucky.
Whoa! So we are on Caminito del Rey and it is absolutely gorgeous. I knew it would be good. The pictures look absolutely amazing. And to be honest, I was thinking that by looking at the pictures, going in real life might not be as good. But let me tell you, it is amazing and definitely worth your time and money.
My gosh, I don't normally scared of heights, but and that's a train line. I'm just speechless. The views from here are just amazing. It's probably one of the best experiences I've ever had in my entire life. I thought all of it was gonna be walking through that wooden pathway, you know, between the rocks, and you see the height in there. It's also going through some of the hills and mountains, like if you were in the forest, like you really feel in the middle of nature here. I've come here with my family, my mom and my sister, and you can spend hours here with your friends as well, admiring the views, but also admiring the beautiful vegetation and all the animals wild free. It's just beautiful, gorgeous. We just passed halfway mark and we've been told that the best is yet to come. So come with us. Whoa, look at that. Wow, wow. Oh.
Look at that. This looks absolutely stunning now. Now I'm getting a bit of vertigo and jelly legs. Look, if I go like this, oh, that really scares me.
Just underneath this pathway is actually the old version of Caminito del Rey. Can you believe people used to walk through there? Oh my God, I wouldn't have come here before. Wow, this is like the skyline. My God, I actually feel a bit nervous standing here. Only 4 people at a time. And oh wow, that is the, I don't even have words. This is like the picture of Caminito del Rey. Wow, I actually feel like I'm part of a Lord of the Rings movie or something like that, isn't it?
Caminito del Rey was built to provide access between 2 hydropower plants. King Alfonso inaugurated the dam in 1921 and walked on the pathway, giving it the name the Walkway of the King, Caminito del Rey. The walkway deteriorated over time and caused a few fatal accidents. Adrenaline junkies got more excited due to added danger, with more attempts despite heavy fines. Eventually, it was closed off and a new, much secured version that we see today was inaugurated in 2015. And Lonely Planet named it the best new attraction for the year.
It's actually very narrow, so, and it's wobbly, a bit scary. Whew. Okay, now, whoa, oh, wow, this is really, really scary. It's stunning, absolutely beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. And this is the part which makes all the money worth it. And I'm loving it. It was absolutely stunning, loved it. Oh, the rock formation. Oh, I'm still in awe. Look at the waterfall. Whoa. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Love it.
When you reach the metal gates at the end of Caminito del Rey, you will think that is over. Not really. You still need to walk for another 10 to 20 minutes, but the views are amazing.
We got back at the villa, freshened up and had a lovely lunch at a rural restaurant opposite. What a lovely date already has been. At night, we stayed up late playing board games and then sharing ghost stories like we do out in the patio.
Caminito out of the way, we have 2 more activities to do in the area. Today, we are going to SunView Park in Malaga for even more adrenaline, one of the longest zip lines in Spain. Julian did it a few months ago, and now the whole family wants to join the fun. Watch our Alaurin video in the description below. Arslan, on the other hand, still won't do it, as he's not a fan of heights and theme park rides.
3, 2, 1.
We got back at the villa and enjoyed the rest of the afternoon in the pool with my nieces. There are 3 lakes nearby, and the main one has water sports facilities as well as camping site. Last year, we did not want to travel hours, so we went kayaking, which was beautifully therapeutic as well as a great physical activity.
After watching Antequera video, which we have linked in description below, Juli's sister's family really wanted to visit Torcal National Park to reenact their childhood photo. Torcal is a place not far from Malaga, but it looks like another planet. If you're in the area, it is highly recommended. For full details on Torcal, please watch our video.
Whether you do Caminito del Rey on its own or combine with other activities, you are bound to have a great time. The region of Andalusia is full of surprises and fantastic treats, dotted in every corner. We will see you next week from another great location in Andalusia. Until then, have a great time!